Even today, building a space rocket is challenging for scientists, but in 1963, an airplane accidentally reached space. On July 19, two North American 1015 aircraft were flown to test for future space missions. One of the planes, piloted by Joe Albert Walker, faced issues when its thrusters didn't shut off, causing it to exceed its intended altitude. Instead of turning back before 50 kilometers, it reached 106 kilometers, crossing the Kármán Line, the boundary of space. Walker then landed safely at Rogers Dry Lake, Edwards Air Force Base. This made him the first American to unknowingly travel to space.